How to use Standard Chartered SuperValu Titanium credit card on as properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Standard Chartered SuperValu Titanium credit card offers perks like cashback, rewards points, and insurance benefits, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce its value. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding reward categories. Most people get this wrong by using the card randomly. To maximize benefits, focus on categories like groceries, fuel, or online spending where cashback rates are highest. Second mistake, carrying a balance. You won't believe how quickly interest accumulates. Always pay your full statement balance to avoid high interest charges that can offset rewards. Third mistake, ignoring the card's annual fees and hidden charges. The surprising truth is that some users overlook foreign transaction fees or insurance eligibility criteria. Review the fee schedule carefully and plan spending accordingly. Fourth mistake, underutilizing card benefits. This includes travel insurance, purchase protection, and exclusive merchant offers. Register for these perks and claim them when eligible. It's free money if you use it correctly. Finally, not tracking statements and alerts is common. Set up notifications for due dates, spending limits, and rewards points. This helps prevent missed payments and ensures you always know your earned benefits. Using the Standard Chartered SuperValu Titanium credit card properly means focusing on rewards categories, paying balances in full, monitoring fees, leveraging benefits, and staying on top of alerts. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll get the most value from this card.